This problem is asking us about domain and range, and specifically about range. So think for a second, is range x or y values? It's the y values. So you can go back and eliminate your x choices, but for this one, we're given this equation, f of x equals 20x plus 4. And remember, f of x is just a way to say y equals, so we're looking for the y, the outputs, given any input. In this problem, if I don't have any weights added to my barbell, that would mean that my x is 0, and I have just a 4-pound barbell. So my first initial value, if I have a 0 for my x, no added weights, it's going to be 4. So that makes sense for these two. Then think about how much I'm adding each time. And again, the weights are already in pairs. So I'm just adding 1, 2, 3 in for my x and finding the value of my y.